Hello all. Today we will be drawing this caterpillar. Actually, this assignment should be given last preference to when students finish their quiz in lab on lesson 3 and lesson 4, and if the time remains then they should attempt it. We will be using circle tool, 3-point curve tool, line tool, and one more rectangle and triangle tool that I demonstrate now. So let us begin. Let us start with paint 3D. First of all, we will take a circle and then we will draw a circle. Just position it a bit smaller. This is done. Actually, caterpillar's abdomen has 10 segments, but we will not draw 10 segments. Instead, we will draw only 5. The rest of it let student complete on their own. So, to draw segment, either you can use this 4-point curve or 5-point curve. I am using 4-point curve and then I am drawing this. You can stretch it. These tools are very handy and you can draw any shape using this 4-point curve and 5-point curve. This way. Now I will be cloning. Students can draw on their own. We need to take care that there are no gaps left while drawing. That we can check after the drawing is finished. This way we can, because the segments take different shapes when a caterpillar walks. This way we can draw 5 segments, 1 2 3 4, one more, but let student draw all the 10 segments if at all. Click in on commit. See to it that there are no gaps. If there are gaps, coloring will spill on the canvas. As such, this assignment doesn't require use of color, but still. Now to draw eyes, it should be smaller one. Fill it with black color, clone and position it. This is done. To draw mouth, use rounded square. It should also be a smaller one. It shouldn't be filled with, and drag it here. To draw teeth for biting, let us draw a triangle. Turn it to 180 degree and move it here. This is how face is drawn. Now we will draw tentacles. Tentacles also we will use 4-point curve. This way, and then you can manipulate it the way you want. Actually, this should be connected, and now this is okay. Clone it. Put one more, you put here. Click on OK. Now to draw pro legs, we need to use line tool and very small line. Thing is, if I copy, clone and paste here, the adjustment would be too difficult. For that we will zoom out the screen and pan. So this is the line. Actually, we needed to clone it and connect these two. A very small gap with very small line. This is, once it is done, you can zoom in to watch how it is. That is just perfect, or I feel it's bigger one, but let us move on. Select you can, and then you can select this, copy and paste so that you can keep it here. Next you can select the whole thing, copy and paste so that you can put it here. Single copy and multiple pasting Paint 3D doesn't support, so you need to every time select, copy it and paste it. Student may draw on their own. This is the way we keep on selecting, keep on copying, keep on pasting. And that's why I said I will be drawing only 5 segments. If there is enough time or ample time, let the students draw all the 10 segments, because caterpillar's stomach contains totally 10 segments, and let them draw all this thing. This is how they will draw the caterpillar. If you wish, you can ask to fill in green color on the segments and any other color here. Another way to draw a caterpillar is, we need to one circle, clone and put it here, clone and put it here, clone and put it here. As many number, we are using 5, so I am sticking on it. This is how. Then for eyes, again fill with black color, clone. Same way you can draw mouth and tentacles. To draw pro legs, you can use lines here, clone and put it here, clone and keep on putting this way, and then using circle, clone and put it here, clone and put it here. This is another way of drawing caterpillar. Though this is the half one, but whatever student feel comfortable with, they can go for drawing. This is how we attempt this drawing. Thank you.